Our title of our lesson today is multiplying using standard algorithm. We're going to multiply using the standard way. We are going to be using page 18 and page 19 actively. So that means we're going to go back and forth. 18, 19, 18, 19, 18, 19. Yeah, you can. I don't know, baby. We ain't been here since 8 o'clock this morning. I don't know your book bag yet. You take your book bag with you when you rotate. Can you write your title down, baby? Multiplying using standard algorithm with your pencil. Everybody need to make sure they are writing their title down. Multiply using standard algorithm. Please have enough room that you can write the examples. We have 3 examples, and we are going to have our steps. We're going to have examples and steps. So if I was you, I won't write bigger than the sky. I won't write so big. Because we got to have examples and the steps. Let's go, Eddie. You should be on page 18, 19. Using our pencil, we are going to put example 1. EX1. Example 1. Example 1, we are going to multiply a 2-digit times a 1-digit. Our equation is 36 times 7. Remember, write it how I write it. If I go under for that example, make sure you go under for that example. Do not write example 1, 2-digit times 1-digit, 36 times 7 on the same line. That would make it sloppy. You want to go under that line for a reason. Space your work out. There's no need for your work to be all sloppy together on one line. All right, now we're going to go to our other side. I told you we are using both sides actively. We're doing both sides. Example 1. $36 times 7. See, when we are solving it this way, we stack it up. Now, you don't have to put 0, 7. You just put 36 times 7. Now we're going to talk about, this is where we're using our color pencils comes into play. Grab you one of your color pencils. Don't matter which color, but if I was you, when we do stuff in the ones place, I will always use that same color. So you should always use that same color for the ones place. So we got 36 times 7. What's our ones place? 6. So over that 6, I'm going to put 0 for the ones. Well, I'm sorry. O for the ones. What's our tens place? 3. Yeah, get you another color. So we are going to multiply our ones. So what's our ones?
6 times 7.
So I want you to put an arrow because we know we multiplying 6 times 7. What's 6 times 7?
42.
What's 6 times 7?
42.
I'm going to bring down my 2 and add my what? Plus 4. Now I'm going to multiply. When I use my color, use your color. When I use my black, you use your what? Pencil. Then I got to multiply. What I'm multiplying next?
3 times.
No, not 3 times 4.
6.
Remember.
7 times.
Yes, we do. 3 times 7. What's 3 times 7?
21.
Plus 4 more.
25.
25. So 36 times 7 is what? 252. So over here on our side with our pencil, we basically multiply. First we multiply our ones times our ones. What's my ones times my ones? 6 times 7. Then I multiply my 10 times my 1. What's my 10 times my 1?
7 times 2.
No, my 10. That's not no 3. That's a what? My 10 times my 1s.
3 times 7.
Yes, 30 times 70. So if I work these two problems out and I add it up, I should get 252. This is what we're doing. We multiplied our ones times our ones, and we multiplied our tens times my ones. So now we're going to go over back to page 18, and we're going to write our steps first. So what do we do first? We start in the what? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write ones with the color that I use. So if I start in the ones place, what did I multiply first?
6 times 7.
Then I go to the tens place. So when I do the tens place, what do I have? Three times 7. Now we're going to do example EX example 2. With example 2, we are going to do a 1 digit times a 4 digit. Then we want to write our example. Our example is 7 times 3,205. Then on this side, we're going to write example 2. Now, how would I set this problem up? What number go at the top? What number go at the bottom? JC? What number is that? Read me that number again.
3,205.
Yes. 3,205 at the top. Times what? 7. We got to do the same thing. Remember, I said I'm going to keep my 1s and my 10s the same. Yes, ma'am. Now, look at what I got. Look what you got. I'm using my boxes. I'm literally putting everything inside of a box. Each number that I have is inside of a box. That's the best way to keep your notes neat. If you keep your stuff inside of the box. You shouldn't be having to do this. Because that defeats the purpose of us using graph paper. If we use graph paper, we want our stuff to be nice and neat inside of the box. That way you can see your place value. You see the thousands. You see the hundreds. You see the tens. You see the ones. That way every time you do something, it is nice and it is neat. It's not sloppy. Let's use our boxes. I keep telling y'all we use our boxes for a reason. We don't just have this graph paper so we can just do what we want to do. No, we use this graph paper for our boxes. It helps us to make our work neat. Now, if I'm doing this, what do I multiply first?
Yo, 5.
My 1s. Yes, I do 5 times what?
7.
What's 5 times 7? What's 5 times 7? Bring down your 5. And I got to add my what? 3. Now, next I got to multiply what? Yes. 7 times 0. What's 7 times 0?
0. Then you gotta add your 3.
Yes, then I got to add my 3. So what's that?
3.
3. Then I got to look at my what next? My hundreds. So I do what I do with my hundreds?
7 times 2.
7 times 2. What's 7 times 2?
14.
Bring down my 4 and carry my what? That 1, that's 1,000. That 1 turned to 1,000. Then I'm going to have what's next?
7 times 3 times 1.
No.
3 times
3 times 7. Now remember, when we doing this, we multiplying. What's 3 times 7? So when we get our answer, we got to add that 1. We don't add that 1 to say 4 times 7. We only add that 1 when we get done multiplying. So then we got to do what's 3 times 7?
21.
Plus 1 more.
22.
22. All right, so remember, this is place value. So if this is place value, how can I put this? I'm putting it on my side. On my side, what am I doing first? I started my 1's place. What I'm multiplying first? 5 times 7. All right, then what I'm multiplying next?
5 times 0.
No, not 5 times 0.
Oh, 7 times 0.
7 times 0. What's next? 30.
No.
We on exam. Look at it. Pay attention to it.
Times 7.
No, not 2.
200.
200. 200 times 7. Then what we doing last?
3,000 times 7.
Yes, 3,000 times 7. Because we solve all of these and we add all of these up, we should still get this same answer. Yeah, that's the, we should get, if we add multiply all of them, we get our partial products. If we add our partial products up, we should get that same answer. All right, now we're going to go back to this side because we got to write down our steps that we did. So what did we do? We started in the what?
Your ones.
We started in the what?
Our ones.
So we going to put start. Ones place. So if I start in my ones place, what do I have? What am I multiplying first? 5 times 7. Then we gotta multiply 7 by each place value. So if I multiply by 7 by each place value, I got 5 times 7. What'll be next? What's next?
0 times 7.
0 times 7. What's next?
200 times 7.
What's next?
3,000 times 7.
All right, now should we be starting on example 3? EX3. On example 3, we are doing 2-digit times a 2-digit. Our equation is 34 times 12. We're going to go over here. Now, how would I write 34 times 12?
You said 34 to 5.
Do it matter?
No.
No.
We gonna go in your ones place.
Remember, I got to put my ones, then my tens. So you know what place value this is. We doing our 1s and our 10s. Now, remember, we multiply our what first? Ones. So if I multiply my ones first, what I'm warming up? What I'm multiplying?
4 times 6.
So what's in my ones place?
4 times 2.
4 times 2. So if I multiply 4 times 2, what do I get? 8. Now, this is where it gets a little different. Now, what do we do next?
2 times 3.
Yes, 2 times 3. Once we multiply our 1s and our 1s, we got to now multiply our 10 and our 1. So now we got to do 2 times 3. What's 2 times 3?
6.
Now, this is what we gonna do. Hold on. This is what we gonna do. We gonna box this out. Because we done with this. So we just gonna draw a box around it. Because in reality, and you can honestly cross out that 2. Because in reality, we done with this 2. We done with that 2. We not working with that 2 no more. So if we done with that 2, right? And we moving on to our 10, what do we add?
1 time.
No?
Wait.
Let's look at it. If we done with this 2, and we know we got to multiply, so if I do this times this, what would I have?
4 times 1.
We got to do something before we can move on. Before we can move on to the other side. Because I be seeing some of y'all be trying to do the standard algorithm yourself, but I can tell y'all really don't know. Y'all get stuck at that one part. We have to add a 0. Before we can move on, we have to add a 0. We have to add that 0. We have to add that 0. Because we done with that. We put it under your 8. Because we done with this. We done with this. So that's like saying, what's 4 times 0? You get what? 0. That's literally like saying, what is 4 times 0? You get what? 0. Because we done with this. We done with this. We're not multiplying nothing else by this 2. We are done with this 1. Because remember, this is the 1's place. We are done with this 1's place. We done with this one. We're not done with all of our 1's place. But we just done with this 1's place. So if we mark this out, we'll have 4 times 0 is what? 0. Now, what do I do next? 1 times 4. What's 1 times 4? 4. Then what I do next? No, I'm not done. I'm not done.
So you go
Kaz, what you got?
3 times 1.
Then I got 3 times 1. What's 3 times 1?
3.
Then we do what we do now? Add them up. So I want you to get we're going to use that same color and we're going to do like this. Because we boxed that part out. We're going to box this part out. We multiplied these 3 numbers. Then we multiplied these 3 numbers. Now, if I add it up, what is 8 plus 0? 6 plus 4. Carry our 1. Bring down your what? What is 1 plus 3? 4. What's your answer? 408.
Wait, 480, not 400.
No, not 480. 408.
480.
Now it's time for us to write our steps down. So what we do first? Every time we do, what we start with first? Every time. So what is it? Start with what?
jaggers for fruit?
Thank you. So if I start in my ones place, what I multiply?
7 times 3.
Look at it.
4. 7. No.
We ain't on that one no more. We on what?
4.
2 times 4. All right. After I start my ones place, we gotta do our what? Our ones times what? So we did our 2 times 4. Now we gotta do our ones times our what? 10. So we do our 1 times our what? 10s. Now we gotta move up. We gotta multiply our ones times our 10s. So if I multiply my ones times my 10s, what equation do I have?
2 times 3. 30.
Got 2 times 3. What's 2 times 3?
6.
Then, what's my next step? I gotta add a what? Add a what? Yes, add a 0. After we add our 0, we then gotta multiply our what? Let's look at it. After we add our 0, what's my next step?
Add the other numbers. Cross out you already. The numbers you already did.
Okay, so I cross out my 2. That's like me adding my 0. So after I do that, what's next? Then I do what? Yes, then I multiply my 1s and my 10s. So my 1s times my 10, I had to do 1 times 4. Then what I do next? I had multiply my what? Or you can just add it right here to the side or something. Like on this side right here. You can add it over here or something. Because y'all should have more room on this page than I have. So y'all should have enough room to add that to the side or to the bottom. You got enough room to add it to the side or the bottom on this page? Yeah, you should have enough room.
Yeah. I got a lot of numbers.
Alright. Then what we do next? After we multiply our 10s. We multiply our 10s and our 1s. So what we do next? Multiply our what? Multiply our 10 and our 10. Yes. What's my 10s times my 10s in this example?
3
No.
3 times 1.
3 times 1.
Times 3.
What's 3 times 1?
3.
Then what I do last, I have to do what? What's my last step? Add it up. Add them up. Put your last step, add them up. So you know what you do last. What's your last step? You gotta do what? Add them up. Now let's come back over here to example 3 side. We gotta see what did we do. So our first thing, what was our first product that we multiplied? 4 times 2. Then what was the next thing we multiplied?
3 times 2.
Now this is a 10, so we gotta do what? 30 times what? 2. What we did next?
1 times 4.
Not 1 times 4, that's in the 10, so it's what? 10 times what? What we did last?
3 times.
No, not 3 times 1. What we did? They in the 10, so it's what? Now, what you have to do, look at the different examples that we did. We did area model, we did partial products, we did standard. You have to figure out which way works best for you. If this was a lot for you doing this standard way, I wouldn't even worry about standard way no more. I won't worry about it. Now, the goal is for y'all to understand standard way for y'all by the end of the year for y'all to do the standard way. But if the standard way right now is too hard for you to do, I won't worry about the standard way. But if you like the standard way and you get it, if I was you, I will mainly focus on that standard way. Now, I will still use area model for me to check my work. Because no matter what, you supposed to have the same what? No matter what you do, you supposed to have the same what? Answers. I will still use partial products because no matter what you do and you add them up, you have the same what? Answer. So when you take your quiz your test, it's not our quiz, it's a test on Thursday, you can have 100 on your test if you do what you're supposed to do. If you do it the right way, and then if you add it up. Now, it may be easy for you to do the standard way with multiplying by 2 digits by 1 digit, and then multiplying by 1 digit by 4 digit. But then you might want to do the area model way for 2 digit times 2 digit. You have to figure out which works best for you. Now, on page 20 and 21, this is your homework. Write down your homework. Yes, you can use page 20 and 21 to show your work. So can you write in your notebook? Yes, use page 20 and 21 to show your work. Get that homework down.